Dear learners, in this lecture we will discuss about thyristor controlled series capacitor. Here this is the diagram of TSSC and this is TCSC. Thyristor controlled series capacitor is shown in figure A. Here the thyristor switch is either off or on continuously. To insert the capacitor, the switch is turned off while it is turned on to bypass the capacitor. TCSC is shown in figure B. Here a TCR is used in parallel with a fixed capacitor to enable continuous control over the series compensation. This is the equivalent circuit of TCSC. Here it is the capacitive operation mode and then it is the inductive operation mode. You can see the direction of current reverses it is in the phase opposition to each other in the capacitive operation and in the inductive operation mode. The impedance of TCSC is given by ZTCSC is equal to minus JXC dot JXTCR divided by JXTCR minus XC, that is equal to minus JXC upon 1 minus XC upon XTCR. This is given in equation 1. Now the current in ITCR will be equal to minus JXC upon JXTCR minus XC multiplied with IL. So it will become like equation 2. The capacitive reactance TCSC is obtained as equation number 3. It is an obvious equation, you can convert it from this. Here XTCSC is capacitive as long as XC is less than XTCR. As XTCR is infinite, when the thyristor are blocked and ITCR becomes 0. For this condition, ITCR is 180 degree out of phase with the line current phase IL. IL in opposite phase with ITCR 1. When XCC is greater than XTCR, then XTCSC is negative, implying that it behaves like an inductor. In this case, IL and ITC are in phase, as we discussed earlier during looking at the diagram. This is the impedance versus delay angle alpha curve. Here, this is the operation inhibited for limited period. The upper portion shows the inductive portion and the lower portion shows the capacitive region, like this. This one is inductive and this one is capacitive. In the operation of TCSC, the first one is the bypassed mode. Here the thyristor valves are gated for 180 degree conduction and the current flow in the reactor is continuous and sinusoidal. The net reactance of the module is slightly inductive as the susceptance of the reactor is larger than that of the capacitor. During this mode, most of the line current is flowing through the reactor and thyristor valves with some current flowing through the capacitor. Next is the inserted with thyristor valve blocked mode. No current flows through valves with the blocking of gate pulses. Here the TCSC reactance is same as that of the fixed capacitor and there is no difference in the performance of TCSC in this mode with that of a fixed capacitor. This is the bypass mode, this is the thyristor blocked mode and this one is the vernier operation mode. Moving on to the vernier operation mode. Inserted with vernier control. Here inductive region is for 0 to alpha limit, that is alpha should be within 0 to alpha L limit. Capacitive region will be alpha limit L limit to pi/2, that is alpha should be in this range. This mode allows the TCSC to behave either as continuously controllable capacitive reactance or as a continuously controllable capacitive reactance or as a continuously controllable inductive reactance. It is achieved by varying the thyristor pair firing angle in an appropriate range. This is the capacitive Vernier mode and this is the inductive Vernier mode. Here T1 will be off and T2 will be on, but here T1 will be on and T2 will be off. In next lecture we will discuss about the state comp.